A stroke. For the first stroke, draw it slanting to the right. For the second stroke, start from the center line and move down while expanding to the left. Leave a small gap just below the center line. The third stroke curves gently to the bottom left, stopping here once. Lift it slightly upwards and make a large circle. Finally, brush it off. Make sure to take a wide space for this. E stroke. For the first stroke, gently curve it towards the bottom right and stop here. Then flick it upwards. After the flick, imagine it connecting to the second stroke. Keep the top aligned. The bottom should be longer than the first stroke. U stroke. For the first stroke, place a dot slanting to the bottom right. Then, as if connecting it, draw slanting upwards to the right. Finally, brush it off around the center line. A stroke. Point diagonally towards the bottom right for the first stroke. The second stroke is drawn slanting to the top right. Next, move towards the bottom left and then return beyond the midpoint of the slanted line. Move straight down. Finally, draw a line to the right, ensuring the bottom is aligned. O stroke. For the first stroke, draw it short and slanting to the top right. The second stroke goes straight down slightly to the left of the center line. Stop briefly here, then move up to the top left and draw a slanting to the top right. rotate around while creating a round shape, and finally, draw in a way that connects to a point.